Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Darius and this is a very quick video about the new opportunity on KuCoin. It's about the KuCoin card. They call it the Q card, and they just started an event. It's starting on the 16th of January and it's gonna be finished on the 29th of the next month. So quite a lot of time to be a part of this event. If you don't have this card yet, this is something for you. And the first campaign is for the first 500 people that will put the application in to have the card. So if you one of the first ones, you will get 2 USDT for the application and for your card. The campaign number 2 is unlimited 1% cashback during the event. So the more you spend, it's better for you actually, because there is campaign number 3. As you can see, the top spenders will share $2,250, and the rewards go as you can see. The first one will get 1,000, the second 500, the third one 300. To join this event, you also have to have a KuCoin account. If you want to join KuCoin, if you don't have an account yet, you can use my link. There's 20% discount on the fees that you pay on the exchange, and I also run a special events just for my community. Working with KuCoin, they give me some opportunities from time to time, so stay on the channel if you want to join one of the upcoming opportunities as well. Link to this event will be below this video, so click join. To join the event, make sure you log in onto KuCoin exchange first, then click join. And if you want to use my link and get the 20% discount, that link will be also below this video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.